Welcome to this short video demonstrating the capabilities of Epicor's supply chain planning solutions. To help guide our conversation, let's explore a typical business example. Big Ass Fans first made its mark selling massive ceiling fans. Rapid growth drove their need for flexible ERP. With growth from 10 to over 300 million in revenue in a very short period of time, some of the biggest challenges they faced were in reducing costs, maximizing inventory, and meeting fluctuating demand. Today, the company manages 6 manufacturing plants globally. The ability for all of them to stay connected is paramount to success. It all starts with order fulfillment and planning. Big Ass Fans plans production well in advance to meet their customers' expectation. Bill Knowles, CIO of Big Ass Fans, adds to this need by his statement, "It's only a ceiling fan, but it's a very complex product that drives a lot of complexity on the bill of material and how all of these parts come together on the factory floor. That's where I think technology is critical because you can't manage that level of complexity without having a tight ERP system." Now that we've heard the story of Big Ass Fans, what business challenges are typical in supply chain planning? Solving the challenges of today's manufacturers and distributors requires careful planning of inventory so the right product is available when it's needed, not before and not late. It includes ensuring greater visibility of what is available and enabling planning capabilities that can deliver buying power for reduced cost. Maintaining a healthy cash position with respect to inventory is also a key challenge. Other challenges include meeting customer demands and expectations for goods and services, a key one being on-time delivery, reducing the amount of capital tied up in unused and obsolete inventories, and impacting productivity with efficient processes in the warehouse. Lastly, supply chain disruptions have become more pronounced and will periodically challenge our businesses. As you can see, Epicor delivers a complete suite of ERP capabilities to support, from forecasting to supplier portals. To demonstrate the capabilities of Epicor to solve your greatest challenges, we will explore how accurate planning can assist, what solutions are available to help you meet and exceed customer expectations for supply, help you drive on-time performance more easily, improve warehouse performance, and finally leverage supplier collaboration to reduce the impact of disruption across the supply chain.
In the world today, with seemingly endless disruption in our global supply chain and labor shortages abound, it's become more important than ever for manufacturers and distributors to be armed with the best possible tools to ensure they have the products they need when they need them in order to keep their customers coming back to them, while also enabling them to acquire new customers without taking on additional overhead. Through digital transformation, Epicor is helping our customers, just like big ass fans, to not just sustain their business, but also giving them tremendous competitive advantages in an increasingly competitive market. Business intelligence and analytics, AI and ML-based statistical modeling, a very robust planning and scheduling engine, along with best-in-class automation and collaboration tools, are allowing them to streamline their entire supply chain. Let's take a look at exactly how Epicor makes all of that possible. Timing is everything, and having the right products at the right place at the right time is paramount to running a successful manufacturing and distribution business, and really key to customer satisfaction, along with avoiding costly expedite fees. Demand planners rely heavily on having a clear picture of the past history, along with performance against plan, in addition to feedback from key stakeholders, like their finance and sales teams, as well as proven statistical models that provide the intelligence to predict what the future may look like. Specifically, Epicor Smart Demand Planner provides a collaborative environment where demand planners and other stakeholders, with the help of best fit statistical algorithms, can collaborate to create a consensus forecast. This tool provides our customers with a tremendous amount of flexibility to forecast at any level of their product or customer or location hierarchy. Along with developing the forecast, Epicor's Smart Inventory Optimization tool provides a full cost benefit picture based on your organization's current inventory policies, but also allows users to execute different what if scenarios based on factors like inventory costs, carrying costs, and ordering costs, along with desired customer service levels in order to achieve the optimal business outcome. In addition, key performance metrics such as material excess and shortages, service level and fill rate trends for both customer suppliers, as well as our customers themselves, trends for stockout events, average days on hand, average time to ship, and nominal time to ship can all be analyzed across a multi-company, multi-site enterprise in order to make the best possible decisions. Above and beyond the trending and analytics typically used by demand planners, Epicor provides a whole host of business intelligence content that our customers are utilizing to better understand their entire supply chain and risk management picture. Supplier scorecarding, as well as quality performance metrics, are all readily available and can be analyzed on demand. Now, even the best laid plans may not always work out entirely as planned, and because of that, collaboration is key. Having tools that streamline communication and collaboration with everyone in your supply chain, from material suppliers, subcontractors providing value-added services, to freight forwarders and brokers, it is very important to have the flexibility to also do so through multiple different channels. For partners that prefer to automate communication through EDI, Epicor's Supplier Digital Integration Suite provides collaboration and communication through fully automated document transfer, as well as document upload. With the Epicor Commerce Connect suite, suppliers can be notified automatically with our customers' requests, so they can promptly respond to RFQs, purchase orders, and purchase order changes, and even provide immediate feedback to buyers and supply chain planners. And finally, Epicor Collaborate and its out-of-the-box integration to Microsoft Teams provides our customers with the capability to communicate directly with both internal users of Epicor as well as external stakeholders like material suppliers, subcontractors, and value-added services providers, as well as freight forwarders and brokers. Now, whether the product is destined for direct distribution or to be used in a manufacturing process, customer execution is critical. Epicor is also helping our customers execute their outbound processes entirely as well. In addition to material planning, having fast and accurate tools to better understand production times, shop floor capacities, subcontractor lead times, along with supplier and transit times, are extremely critical. Epicor's robust planning and scheduling engines quickly and effectively develop the entire supply plan automatically for a product of any level of complexity. The Epicor Kinetic Warehouse application, a fully integrated purpose-built app for material handlers, helps fully automate and streamline the warehousing processes. Now, of course, in-depth reporting and analytics are all readily available for Epicor customers to understand these factors in a very granular level of detail, but many times the customer just wants the answer when they can have their product immediately. Here, while processing an order or addressing a customer inquiry regarding an order, a sales or customer service person can quickly and accurately return dates back as to when a product can be delivered to a customer. In addition, the fluctuating costs of transit times with regards to shipping has been a major challenge for manufacturers and distributors. Tools like Epicor's embedded rate shopping capability allow us to take a look at different carrier services to ensure there's no guesswork when it comes to shipping charges and ensuring shipments are on time. Being able to provide this information quickly and easily is really essential to the predictability and reliability that so positively impact customer satisfaction. As disruptions in the supply chain have become more and more prevalent and the cost of delivery has escalated, many companies have decided to go beyond just production and warehousing and opted to integrate supply and delivery into their internal operations as well to take full ownership of that customer execution. The Epicor Kinetic Warehouse application provides capability to document loading details, find optimal shipping routes, providing drivers with turn-by-turn directions, and enables capture of customer signature upon delivery.
Thank you for joining to learn about what Epicor has to offer in supply chain planning. In summary, Epicor helps you improve supply chain planning to keep pace with global competition, drive out costs to improve profitability through effective coordination from raw materials to the delivery of finished products. Enhance your customer experience with a data-driven focus on meeting expectations for information accuracy around inventory, product delivery, and service. Improve performance with new levels of operational efficiency and automated processes, and build a more resilient supply chain with improved supplier collaboration.